Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers. Here for Sanja Habibic. We are the chosen contractor for the job. I will be conducting a repair test. I will be removing this shingle right here and replacing it with this architectural right here. We didn't have a matching one. I'll have to unfasten the nails from here and here to get this shingle out and replace it with that one. All right, here we go. It's like melted to the other shingle. So for you to repair anything on this, you're gonna damage the shingles just trying to unfasten them from each other. So that's something to note there. All right, shingle is out. All right, that shingle is set in place. Let's fasten it down. Oh, all right. Let me make sure my phone hasn't overheated already. All right, we're good. my God, oh my God. That almost turned out bad. That was already like ripped, so that ripped even more. All right. So as I was installing that shingle and removing the other one, it did damage the shingle immediately from it being so sealed together. But it did, as I was installing those nails, you have cracking all along this shingle. This was already ripped halfway. It was flapped over like that, so it just fell apart. But that was also damaged in the process. So if you try to repair any other areas of this roof, it's gonna be the same exact thing. You're gonna have the shingles crack in half, damaged creases, granule loss. Sorry, my phone overheated, but yes, major granule loss, creasing, cracking. The shingles are old and unrepairable. So with this, I did failed repair test. There's no way you can repair any shingles without damaging the shingles around it, which then in turn, you'd have to repair those and so on and so forth. All right, well, thank you for your time.